All right, guys. For my first website, I chose Myfitnesspal. Now, this is based on a curriculum of physical education. I chose this curriculum due to the fact that I feel like when it comes to physical ed, it's not a lot of teachers, physical education teachers, that can find good resources or good sites to go to that can help them kind of advance their class. So when it comes to this, MyFitnessPal.com is a free website, by the way. I personally prefer to use this with high school students just because I think the maturity of the students would will be a little bit better for them to input data and everything. But you can pretty much do this with any age group. If you're doing it manually by yourself, that's fine. If you prefer your students to do this even better. But that's the whole concept of this website. It allows the students to kind of take control of their own fitness and nutrition. So to get started, I kind of did the sign up process. So you didn't get to see that due to the information I was putting in. But it was asking me certain questions, which led to the calories remaining. So it was asking me questions as far as, how many pounds I would like to lose in a week, my height, weight, my current weight, and that information there leads you to this right here. So from here, as you can see, what this does is it allows you to pretty much take control of your entire fitness. Or you can teach your students how to take control of their fitness. Obviously, some students probably do not really understand the process of really like doing it on their own, and like really taking control of their fitness and nutrition value due to the amount of data they have to input and keep track of. Well, this website here helps out. All right, along with the goal, your fitness goals, which you can put in and you can edit as you can see for yourself. You can do certain things such as it'll help you with exercises. So you can choose a certain type of exercise, or you can put in notes when it comes to the exercise. You can print this out. This entire website is completely free. Once again, just to go further, the food, it also allows you to input the food intake, and it can kind of generate the calorie intake you had for the amount of food you have for the day. And it goes by days, and it tracks all this information, and it stores this information for you can see like a pretty much in a graphic sense of what's going on. Another great aspect about this website is that the amount of apps that it has, that features or that includes with MyFitnessPal. These apps here are all included with MyFitnessPal that you can see, and these apps also kind of, I want to say, include the data into your MyFitnessPal as well. As far as steps, running, all this stuff, working out. If you have a smartwatch, you can download these apps, your phone, any type of way. But it advances your whole aspect of your nutrition and your ability to work out and improve your fitness. Like I said, I believe this is a good resource for teachers to use, for physical education teachers to use for students who are looking to improve their nutrition, their fitness, and their overall health. Thank you.